Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today I have a package here to unbox and share with you guys here. Just got this one delivered from C. Risner, aka Traditional Pocket Knives. And I'm excited. I'm excited for what's in here because from what I believe, this is an exclusive knife that is actually dropping today. So that's exciting. That's awesome. About to share my raw first impressions of this knife here with you. Doing the honors today, we got the Fintiso Parrot, right? We've been having a ton of fun with this budget EDC with aluminum scales and 14C 28N. These things are on sale right now at the Fintiso site. Really good price for these. Check out the unboxing if you haven't already. And of course, this knife and every other knife that you see in this video will be linked down below. So if you're interested in checking prices, availability, variants, and all that good stuff, then definitely check those links. Those do help out the channel at zero extra cost to you, right? If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and dig in here, ladies and gentlemen. Bam. All right, let's take a look. We got some filler paper there, and we've got a quick note right here. Thank you from Austin, right? Austin is awesome over there at TPK. Absolutely love Traditional Pocket Knives. I've been featuring and recommending their knives for a long time, and that's also where a lot of Devo knives also drop as well. We got a plastic bag here with some stickers. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing open here, shall we? Let's see what we have in store. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a Traditional Pocket Knives since 1974, so that's been around for a minute. C. Risner Cutlery. We have a Merry Christmas from C. Risner Cutlery. Got the Santa there holding a knife. All right, that's awesome. And we got the C. Risner Cutlery Happy Thanksgiving. That's awesome. Awesome stickers. You gotta love that. And of course, the star of the show here, ladies and gentlemen, is the knife itself. We have an exclusive today. That's right. We're going to be looking at the Traditional Pocket Knives. I believe this is, yes, the Hedgehog. And this one has a very interesting blade geometry as well. Let's see here. Hobby with friends, not a business with customers. Traditional Pocket Knives, right? Veteran owned since 1974 AD. That's funny. All right, let's get in here. We got the exclusive Hedgehog single blade Spearpoint. That's right. And this one is the Jigged Titanium. So you know we're in for a treat here, guys. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Just as excited to take a look here. QSP, collaboration with Traditional Pocket Knives. And here we go. Open her up. We got the QSP stickers there. Have a knife day. And also, better knife, better life. They say happy wife, happy life, but it's really better knife, better life. Get it right. Here's a nice little outline of this bad boy. We have S90V steel going on here, looking at 2.92 inches of blade, overall length of 6.70 inches, and a handle length of 3.78 inches, right? That's awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right, here we go. Satisfactory unboxing. Boom, just like that. And this guy is in this nice plastic little baggie here. Let's go ahead and take it out. Boom. Let's go ahead and make some room. I feel like this one deserves the spotlight here. See that we have a little bit of oil going on there, so I'm gonna give this guy a little bit of a, first wipe here. All right, kind of get it nice and clean for you guys. Of course, it comes nice and oil there, so it is pristine for delivery. All right, here we go. First impressions, checking out this Jigged Titanium in person, man, this is one really good looking milling on a piece of titanium, that's for sure. They also have the cross line pattern titanium, which is also pretty good. So for me, it was either this one or the cross line one, but I feel like the Jigged, since I don't have anything in this sort of milling up until now, right, this is definitely the way to go. And now that I see it in person, I'm holding it in my hand, I can see that was definitely the right call. Just the way light hits it, right, from every angle. That's looking really sweet right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, and of course you got the triangle for a QSP exclusive there. And let's go ahead and open this thing if you guys are ready. Here we go. Boom, half stop, boom, full stop. Okay, we have something different going on this one. You guys, if you haven't seen the Hedgehog unboxing I did a little while back, that one has, I think, like a reverse tanto blade or sheep's foot blade. This one here has a exclusive Spearpoint blade. So S90V, you already know that's a premium steel there. So definitely a great steel, one of my favorites. We got the QSP logo on this side, right? And it does say S90V on the other side. Right here, is this a hollow ground? Ooh, yes, sir, absolutely. They could have gone flat grind, but no, they went all the way with that hollow ground. And I remember, even as of today, even as if it was yesterday, that Hedgehog in that sheep's foot was a laser beam. So I can tell this one is very likely going to be just as good, if not better, or around, you know, obviously the same performance. Because there's one thing for sure, right? With slip joints, man, I find that a lot of times, probably, you know, more than half of the time, 70-80% of the time, slip joints are basically knife for knife, right? In general, on average, you know, slicier, they cut a lot better than some of the more expensive knives that I put on this camera lens here to make videos for you guys. Already loving the good weight to it, right? Good EDC size, not too big, not too small, have average hands, as you know, not too big, right? Not too small there, good to go, right? Feeling good, full purchase all day, every day. And we do have a fuller here on the blade, which is awesome. Checking out the fit and finish here all the way across. Is looking beautiful, man, beautiful all the way around. Got that lanyard hole there for my lanyard people. And let's go ahead and close this bad boy. Here we go. All right. Oh, man, that is a very snappy and loud close right there. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Absolutely. Here we go. Let's go ahead and try that opening again. Bam, boom, and close. I'm going to do a little bit of walk and talk. Oh, especially the close. Yeah. Got some acoustics. Definitely some good acoustics to it, no doubt. So the pull situation here, it's definitely a little bit of an aggressive pull. I would say maybe a 7 out of 10, right? 6.5, 7 out of 10, 7.5 perhaps. So that's good. All right, got your half stop right there, about 90 angle, right? Full 180 there on the open. And again, this thing is just looking gorgeous, man. This is one really good looking, right? Slip joint right here. Gotta love it. Especially in this titanium, right? With the milling. Looking really nice. If you guys know me, I'm very much of a monochromatic knife, right? Silvers, blacks, right? A little bit of shine, not too much. The satin finish on this hollow grind is looking pretty rad. All right, so that's also pretty nice. Let's do some size comparisons here, shall we? So let's bring out that Fintiso Parrot that I used to unbox this guy. And I got something like the Vosteed Acorn right here as well. So very similar to that Acorn size, although a little shorter, right? Definitely a little bit shorter than the Fintiso Parrot. Let's do some more of the typical knives here in the channel. Here's your Manix 2. It's going to be a little bit larger. The Yojimbo 2, right? So it's going to be a little bit larger. I don't know if I've, you know, if you're new to the channel, right, you know I really enjoy carrying a slip joint along with a modern folder. I feel like the two complement each other there pretty well. So you know for a fact this thing is going in the pocket the second this video is over. So definitely a good size. The Demko AD 20.5 is just a little bit bigger. And the smaller brother, the Shark Cub, is going to be honestly very comparable. Maybe just a hair bigger, as you can see. There's the Kizer Militaw and the Civivi Vision FG, right? Both are going to be just a little bit larger. So I would say these are large size knives, whereas the Hedgehog is maybe in the medium category, not quite too small, but definitely in that medium category for sure. There's the CJRB Hectare Alt and the Vosteed Raccoon, right? Those are also a little bit bigger there. As you can see, very popular. Chances are you hopefully own some of those. If not, then what are you waiting for? Those are some of the most recommendable EDCs that you can get this day and age. Last but not least, there's the Vosteed Corgi Pup, right? It's just a little bit of a smaller EDC. And the Vosteed Chipmunk, right? Just wanted to kind of show you some smaller EDCs for reference there for comparison. So again, all these knives are linked down below. So if you're interested in checking prices, availability, variants, and all that good stuff, definitely check those links down there. Of course, you know we're going to do our customary scientific cutting test, right? So we got a piece of textbook paper here, right? Let's just go ahead and test that edge. It's just getting some initial swirls right there. Just going to give you, right, ballpark idea. Yeah, it is going through that paper like nobody's business, my friend. Check it out. Gotta love a beautiful hollow ground. It's just awesome going through material. There we go. Boom. Bam. So out of the box, sharpness. Yeah, very, very much so. This guy is really, really sharp. So I got also a little bit of Amazon cardboard here from a box. From Amazon, single wall cardboard, right? Remember, we're cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular, but rather at an angle like this. So it's gonna look something like that. Here we go. Wow. Yeah, this thing makes really quick work of cardboard for sure. Yeah, it is not messing around, you guys. S90V, so you know it's gonna retain a pretty good edge there. And especially in this hollow ground combination right here. Oof, man, laser beam. An absolute laser beam. right? Give it a nice little wipe and just back to looking beautiful. All right, you guys rate it in the comments, right? Tell me about this guy. Rate it on the scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is it out of the box, right? Obviously 10 being the sharpest. You guys let me know. All right, so this guy is actually dropping today, December 9th at 8 a.m., right? I'm actually recording this a little bit later, so it has already been dropped on the Traditional Pocket Knives website. Again, I have a link for it down below. And there's all kinds of options out there. There's obviously the jig titanium. There's also the sock cut titanium, and that's the one with the diagonal lines I was telling you guys about, which again, I was really split between this one and the sock cut titanium because they're both really, really nice there with the milling. And if you love carbon fiber, they have a plethora of different carbon fiber offerings. I'll probably have some video already playing here on the screen so you can see all the different options available for carbon fiber, especially because there's so many different options you can go with. Price on these is $145 right? $145. Now, if you use code Miguel10, you actually get 10% off, and that drops the price down all the way to $130.50, right? $130.50, right? 10% discount. Absolutely a steal there. Absolutely a good deal right there if you're absolutely looking to pick up one of these. I'm excited to carry this one, of course, right? Excited to gather as much feedback as I possibly can for an upcoming review video. So if you're not yet subscribed, this will be a great time to do so. I promise you'll be worth coming back for more. This thing is sweet. I saw it in pictures, but seeing it in person is, again, so much better, and it looks so much nicer in person. Check out the alignment there. That is spot on in the middle, right? That is a very, very narrow hollow ground, and this thing is very thin behind the edge. So yeah, this is going to be a great performer, right? Also, I mean, loving the classic lines there, right? The work on the titanium is beautiful. I mean, QSP did an awesome job here with this guy, and it is an exclusive, right? So you're not going to find this particular Spearpoint Hedgehog anywhere across the web but Traditional Pocket Knife. So definitely check it out. Again, this guy's linked down below if you want to pick one up. Use code Miguel EDC10 for 10% off. You know this is going right in the pocket the moment this video is over. Shout out to Traditional Pocket Knives for sending this one in for me to check out and share with you guys. Again, I'm not sure how long these are going to be in stock or even how much inventory is available. So if you want one right now, absolutely put your order in, especially if you're trying to get it for yourself or a special someone or a friend, or even getting it to yourself as a gift for Christmas. Like, go ahead and get your order in so you can guarantee that delivery before Christmas. But yeah, excited for this one, guys. Let me know your thoughts, questions, concerns in the comments about this one, right? What do you want to know for the upcoming review video? Go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already. I make National EDC content like this on a daily basis, and I promise you it'll be worth coming back for more. Also, go ahead and destroy that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps this video reach a larger audience. Check out the video on the Fintiso Parrot right there to your left. And check out the video of the Hedgehog right here to the right. This is the one with the original blade, sheep's foot blade, right? So definitely check that one out as well. Those are also available on the website, by the way, if you want to pick those up. All right, you absolutely can. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me until the end. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next video, either this one or this one. Peace.